If you feel like a piece of sand is in your eyes, or your eyelashes are crusted together every morning, you could have a condition known as blepharitis. That's the medical term for swollen itchy eyelid. This condition can affect the outside front edge of your eyelid, where your eyelashes attach. More commonly, you get it at the inner side of your eye where your eyelid touches your eyeball. Most of the time, people become swollen itchy eyelid in both eyes, but you could have it in just one. Symptoms. If you have swollen itchy eyelid, you may have a burning or gritty feeling in your eye, blurred vision, crusted eyes when you first wake in the morning, dry eyes, eyelashes that grow at different angles, greasy eyelids, hard to see in bright light, itching in eyes, redness on eyelids, blinking more than usual, lose some eyelashes. Causes. Several things could be to blame, including mites in your eyelashes, bacteria like staphylococcus, allergies to products that come in contact with your eye, like makeup or contact lens solution, tiny oil glands in your eyelid getting clogged, acne rosacea. Treatment. To ease your symptoms, take care of your eyes and keep the area around them clean. Apply a warm compress. Do this twice a day for 15 minutes to loosen crust from your eyelashes and help get rid of extra oil that's plugging up your glands. Gently wash the area. After you take off the compress, use a cotton swab or washcloth to lightly clean the area with a mixture of baby shampoo and water. Rinse well afterward. Blink. This helps the glands in your eyelids squeeze out extra oil. Blink at least 20 times in a row, 4 times a day. Give your eyes a rest. Until your symptoms get better, don't wear eye makeup or contact lenses. Care for dry eyes. Use over-the-counter artificial tears to keep your eyes moist. Eat enough omega-3. Some research suggests that a diet high in these fatty acids can help manage swollen itchy eyelid symptoms. Eat fish twice a week, and make one a fatty fish like salmon, fresh or frozen tuna, or herring.